Everyone, so today I thought I would chat to you about my favourite affordable drugstore face masks. Now I am a huge face mask user. I probably use them like 3-4 times a week and I just love it. I love the kind of pampery feeling, and I do find that they do help me with various skin concerns, and I do think it's important to have a kind of wardrobe of masks to tackle different skincare concerns as well. But I've kind of separated them into categories of different masks, and they're all on the very affordable side as well, which is always good. I do like lots of higher end masks as well, but I do really like affordable ones too. So starting with clay masks, I want to talk to you about this range from L'Oreal. In fact, I haven't got my favourite ones from this range. So I love the black detox one, and I also love the blue blemish one. I've used those up though, so unfortunately I don't have them to show you. I need to repurchase. But I have got the Pure Clay Purity Mask, which looks like this. I love the packaging of these. I think the packaging is really luxe. I love that they come in little tubs. I love that they come in a glass jar. I think they are great. They really help to decongest your skin and just leave your skin feeling really purified. And they're so affordable. I think when they're not on offer, they're like $7.99, but they're usually on offer for about $5. And they're just really, really great products. L'Oreal Skincare is doing good things, I think. I'm really intrigued by it. Then this is crazy affordable. I got this on eBay. I need to buy another one because I do use it quite often and it's nearly run out. But it's the Queen Helen Mint Julep Mask, which looks hilarious. It looks like a tub of toothpaste, doesn't it? It's green. It's so comical. It's like, you know, movie face mask. But this really helps, I find, with making the texture of my skin a lot more refined. It kind of refines my pores and just makes me look less kind of spotty and greasy, and makes my pores look smaller. I don't know how it does it, but it's a really great mask. I will link where you can buy it from eBay in the UK. In the US you can buy it anywhere, I think, but in the UK you do have to kind of look a little bit harder, but you get a massive tube and it lasts for ages, and really effective mask. I really can't recommend this enough. People used to talk about it on YouTube and then it kind of died down, but I think it's really good. Then I've also got this one in terms of clay masks, and this is the Good Things Manuka Honey Radiance Face Mask. This is more of kind of like a wet, soft clay type of texture rather than the dry, tight clay, but just leaves your skin looking really lovely. It's got white clay in it, and it works really lovely if you have skin that maybe isn't as blemish prone, but you still like a deep cleanse, but you don't want something too stripping. This is a really good one. Then let's move on to exfoliating masks. This is a category I actually really enjoy. This mask here is from Aldi, and it's part of their, I never know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, I never know how you call this range anyway, whatever. It's their Caviar Elimination 3-minute Cell Renewal Peel Mask. I've only ever found this the once, and I've never been able to find it again, but I seem to not have very good luck with Aldi. People get really great things from there, and the Aldis I go to never have them. It's a cream mask, and it smells very strongly. It's very tingly. Do not leave it on for very long. Like, leave it for 3 minutes and rinse off, and your skin will feel like a new face. It's really kind of retexturizing, just gets rid of any dryness and makes your skin feel really smooth. I am very into multi-masking as well, so like I'll do an exfoliating mask, then a deep cleansing mask, or a deep cleansing mask and a moisturizing mask, and I kind of like to chop and change, but this is a really good one, and if I saw it again I would buy it because it was like £3. Then I've also got this mask by The Ordinary. Now, I know The Ordinary are having problems at the moment, mainly due to their founder, which I actually think I need to unfollow them on Instagram because I'm finding it so confusing. I don't know, like, if he's genuinely struggling with mental health, then I feel really sorry for him, but if he has just taken like a leave of absence from his senses, I don't know, but he's so rude to people sometimes. I don't know what's going on in there. But this is one of their standout products, and this is the AHA BHA peeling solution, and it's the exfoliating facial. It looks like blood, kind of looks like you're putting, you know, Dracula facial on, but this is so tingly, so brightening, so retexturizing. They say to leave it on for 10 minutes. I get dryness if I do that, so I leave it on for about 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse off and your skin looks immaculate. You can then go in with like a moisturising mask or anything like that, and it works so well, and it's like £5 or £6. So that's, I really recommend that. I think my phone's ringing over there. Never mind. Really like this one. Then in terms of one that's affordable, but it's not like as affordable, but you can get it on offer very often, is from Nip and Fab, and this is their Glycolic Instant Fix Mask. Glycolic acid is an ingredient that my skin particularly likes and agrees with, and this is no exception. It exfoliates and just leaves you a really bright complexion, but it's not kind of hardcore as the other two are. It's more of a gentle version in my opinion. Then let's do moisturising masks. The first one I've got is so affordable, and this is the Superdrug Vitamin E Moisture Mask. So lovely. If you've got oily skin, this is equally lovely. Just a nice big thick layer, leave it on for like 5-10 minutes, rinse it off. Your skin's just got the moisture boost without the greasiness, without the kind of spottiness. It's not as pleasurable to use as, say, something like the Origins Dream Cup Mask, but for the price, this is outstandingly good. I really recommend this. And then another mask from Nip and Fab. They actually don't make this range, I don't think, mainstream anymore in like Boots and Superdrug, but I picked this up in TK Maxx, so do keep your eye out for it. Is the Bee Sting Fix Lifting Mask. And this is really kind of rich in hyaluronic acid, which sometimes my skin doesn't agree with, but with this mask it works really well. And if you're looking a bit tired and a bit kind of, just pop a nice thin layer of this on. The texture's really lovely. It's like a gel mask, and it'll instantly just perk you up. It's really good. I really like it. And I had actually went out and then I found this in TK Maxx, and I was really happy because it's a really good product. Then let's do kind of vitamin C perky type of masks. I've got this one from Quick Fix Facials. Some of their masks are really good, but I don't rate all of them. But this is really nice, and this is the Vitamin C Miracle Overnight Glow Boost Mask. It's more a cream than like your traditional mask texture, but you pop a big thick layer on overnight and you wake up in the morning with nice kind of glowy skin. It's as simple as that. Works really well, really affordable. But this is one of my faves, and this is the Superdrug, it's really sticky, Revitalizing Jam Face Mask from their recently, what's wrong with me? From the recently launched vitamin C range that they do. And I'm going to try and open it without getting everyone to show you. It looks like that. It's really sticky, but smells like, you know, citrus, because vitamin C products can't smell like anything other than citrus, can they? But it's kind of slightly grainy, slightly warming, and the texture is lovely, and it just leaves your skin, once you rinse it off, really glowy and fresh feeling and kind of perked up. I really like that mask, and I will keep repurchasing it because I think in general Superdrug own brand skincare is really good. You know, they used to do that AHA mask, didn't they? From, was it Clearly Youthful, that used to dry? I used to love that. That was such a good range, but they discontinued it. But that's a really good product. I really like that one. And then last but not least, we have the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb Tissue Mask in terms of sheet masks from the drugstore that I like. There aren't many from the drugstore that I think are great, but this one from Garnier is amazing. It is by far one of the best sheet masks I've ever tried, regardless of the price. Most of them I find don't really do anything. I do think they're kind of better suited to dry skins, and a lot of people really like the Sanctuary one, the bubble one. I'm not mad about it. It's okay, but it's not my favourite. But this I love, and if this is ever on offer, it's like £1 or £2, I always buy it. It really helps to rebalance your skin and just leaves your skin feeling fresh. Doesn't break you out. The blue version of this breaks me out a little bit, and it just instantly makes my skin look better, and it's a really nice treat to have this on your face. Really good for the summer months. If you kept this in the fridge and then popped it on, it would be lovely. But yeah, those are my top picks. How many have I got actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, wait, 4, oh no, I've got 11. I could have called this video top 10, but there were 11 in here. Oh well, never mind. Yeah, let me know your affordable face mask recommendations, please. I'm dying to try some. I know a lot of people recommend the, is it Lue masks, I think. I need to get onto that. They do a pumpkin mask that looks intriguing to me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know your recommendations, and I will see you soon. Bye.